Hi, and welcome to this tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Zoom H5 as an external microphone for your Android smartphone. The things you need are your Android smartphone, the Zoom H5, a mini USB cable, and a USB-C male to USB 3.0 or 2.0 female. Connect the mini USB cable to the Zoom H5. Once connected, hook it up to your USB adapter and then connect it to your phone. Turn on your Zoom H5. The USB menu will pop up. Select Audio Interface. If you're using input from an XLR microphone, which is connected at the bottom, select Multitrack. In this case, I'll be using stereo. In the stereo menu, you can select PCMac Buzz Powered, which uses the power from your Android phone. Or you can use PCMac Battery to run it off the Zoom H5 battery. Make sure to press the track buttons to enable the microphone capsule. An indicator light will come on. Optionally, you can connect your headphones to the Zoom H5 to monitor the sound as well as listen to the audio playback from your Android. On your Android phone, make sure to set the USB to be controlled by the connected device. In most cases, this will automatically take place. If you're shooting a video, you'll have to go into its settings and select External Mic On. This may differ from phone to phone, but it's generally the same idea. A note, all audio is saved onto the phone and not the SD card in the Zoom H5. Now, I'll show you a comparison between the internal Android microphone and the Zoom H5. Alright, so now we're using the Zoom H5 with the Android phone connected with their setup here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to do that again without the Zoom H5. So now we've disconnected the Zoom H5, so it's not connected in the USB anymore. What you're hearing is just the audio from my Android phone. I can't even use these headphones with it because it's USB-C. But yeah, testing, 1, 2, 3. So this method is really useful for getting better audio quality on your phone videos. It saves you the time from having to record the audio separately and then later on syncing it with the video you shot on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this. I frequently upload free sounds that you can find on my website or on Bandcamp. Links are in the description below. I hope this helped you guys out. See you in the next video.